What is up, guys? Super Slime 123 here, and today we're playing Faily Rider. We're not playing Faily Breaks anymore because now it's Thursday and Friday as well. So Thursday and Friday we're gonna play this. And if you want to see some more content, then visit Monday and Tuesday. And today's Wednesday, so I'm gonna play. So if you guys like some more Faily breaks, then go ahead and watch them on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Okay? Then Thursday and Friday. Monday, Tuesday. Sorry, guys. Monday and Tuesday we're playing Faily breaks. Then Wednesday and Thursday we're playing Faily Rider. And then Friday and Saturday, I'll tell you what later. Okay, so why not? Let's start off. So let's go ahead and play. I hate it when it does that. Okay. I'm just gonna keep going straight. Hey, why is this here? Yes. Why are you screaming, dude? Like, you're fine. Okay. Oh, excuse me, guys. Okay, we're having a good start off. I think the starter motorcycle is better. I just had to say that. Wow. Oh, free gift. Don't mind if I do, bro. So we got a free gift, which is good because we need the money. But I have no idea why I have coins because I don't really use them. I don't know. My hands are going crazy right now. Oh, what the heck? How was that even possible? How was that even possible? I just went like, So today I went to the burger shop, and then I was gonna get a big burger, and it was really huge, and I couldn't eat it all because I'm too full to eat. Bruh, who's texting me? Oh, and you guys want to check out my Twitter and my Snapchat? It's yo1mama9. So go ahead, and then some kids are probably watching me right now, and that is fine because I understand that they can't have social media yet because of the clowns and all that. And those people who are from Canada, be careful out there in nighttime, okay? Especially daytime, not just nighttime. So we're just gonna screw the road. We're not gonna go. Probably you guys are just dying for a trick, but sorry guys. If I didn't go this way, then I would have crashed. Oh. And I crashed. See? I crashed. Wait one sec, guys. I gotta check on something real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. So I just had to do a quick checkup on something just to make sure if I'm not messing up anything. Because also I don't want something to turn off. If I did, everything will ruin the video. I'm trying to keep this video nice and cool. Nope. Oh, that was a save. If I haven't turned you guys, then I would have crashed. So I basically kind of like Faily Rider a little bit better because, yeah, you do tricks. In a car, you don't. Hi, veggies. No, hi, veggies. Veggies, veggies, veggies. Veggies, veggies, veggies. Veggies, veggies, veggies. veggies, veggies. Okay. Oh, that was a lag. And I think this one's kind of better because it doesn't be like, unfortunately, Faily Writer has unfortunately stopped, and I have to pause the video and waste you guys some time. So, comment down below and say that. Let me go home. So you're stupid. Okay. Oh, had a good day. Metro PC is sono making plans. But this is a day without so, guys, comment down below and tell Spongy Games that your games need to have a little bit less lag, because I do not like lag. It's the worst. So why not keep going? Same with the video. I didn't know what the company's from, so I had to go home. Because I forgot the company, and it had something with the S, and it said Spongy. It's just like, verga. Oh, bruh. Veggies. Okay. Right. Planting. Let your business oh. Yes. Come on, keep it going. Oh no. Oh no, you guys. No. Rah. What the? Bro. Okay, so that was a fail, guys. I'm sorry. Let's keep it on. Let's not ruin the video. Oh no. So my dad is here. My mom is back from Arizona, and my dad as well. They want to spend some time together, so I was like, cool. So, how was that even? So, I was figuring out something in the computer, and I was gonna see if I can play Minecraft, like download it without any like an account and everything. So I figured out how, and you can just, oh my god, yeah. So you can just, so if you just go to Happy Wheels, just search up Happy Wheels on Google, and then after that you're gonna see more games, and click on like the thing that says Minecraft. Click it, and it'll send you to this area. Like, click the first one. It says like Minecraft download here. You click that, and then it's gonna tell you like download here, install, and it'll tell you. And then after, when you download it, after you install it, you have to click the finished download. And when you click it, it says welcome to Minecraft Setup Wizard. And just put like. Just go next. I agree, and I confirm, and everything. And then it'll tell you to put a password. And I think your dad has to do that. But if you're an adult, then you don't have to worry about your dad. You can put your own password. But my dad is in charge of the computer, so yeah. So, and also I'm trying to find a screen recorder. For my, what's it called? I have to find a screen recorder. Because, Oh, I got the coin. I try to find a screen recorder for I can record you guys some gameplay on Minecraft. So if that's cool, then that's excellent as well. So that's gonna be good. Okay. Yay. Wait, what? You passed the high score? I didn't even know. I was so distracted. I don't know. I just got like really good, and then like I made it to 3,707. Oh my God! What is that happening to me? Okay. I don't know what happened right now. It's like something just like. Oh my God! Why are these things like showing me like I'm not gonna download anything? They're making crappy games today. So crappy. God. God. And I'm trying to okay, so I'm trying to get the screen recorders. They said it was easier and a legal way, so it's legal, not illegal. If it wasn't illegal, then I would have been arrested. And yeah, but look at me, I'm not arrested. Be right back. Okay, sorry children, I had an interruption. I don't know what the interruption was. So let's get back into this like a boss. And if you guys, those Minecraft people who really want Minecraft videos, then see me on Saturday and Friday. Because that's where we mostly play Minecraft, and mostly my Minecraft videos are 30 minutes long. So you guys are dying to see any Minecraft content, then please consider subscribing, and you can get a notification. It's like Super Slime 123 just made a video, Minecraft play. Super Slime 123 plays Minecraft, yeah. And Lego Productions, you're kind of saying my name wrong. It's not Super Slim. It is Super Slime. Like, you know when you make slime? Yeah. And you see my picture that looks like slime? Yeah, it's Super Slime. So, Lego Productions, if you're watching this video, yeah, that's my name. Super Slime, not Super Slim. I know accidents happen. So, let's get on to the video without outside distractions. Alright! And also, I have finished everything. But don't worry, guys. We will make it out of this video alive! Bruh. I wish I can put a face cam right there in the corner of it and be like, bruh, anyone want pizza? I just clicked the test drive. Well, anyways, if anyone wanted pizza, moonlight, dog, what is this? Monkey. Oh, Word Trek. I played this on my Geos phone a long time ago before I had a phone. We were in Seattle and I just got really bored. So then, yeah, that happened. Okay, so we gotta wait. I hate it when we wait. Oh, wow. I wanna need to deliver some pizza. Hey, let's get some pizza. Oh no, the pizza has been almost been crashed by the stupid goatee. But don't worry, we can still sell the pizza. We can take another roof with the pizza. Why is there loose change here? Maybe I can make some money. Stop. Wait a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, sorry, but just my pants. We ruined everything. No. We will deliver this pizza safely. I had to go to a desert for this stupid pizza. Because the pizza is so long. And why am I speaking like Mario? And I don't even speak like Mario and I don't know how to. I tried. Oh. Veggies. Did you see his head? It looks so weird. It's like, and I think of you. I want to be all I... The head, the rock and roll challenge. And I think of you. Did you see his head? I want to be all the baby. Veggies. Who likes veggies? Who likes veggies? Clap, 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 clap. The first bomb, I probably would have like crashed and then my pizza would be ruined. Oh, it's Mexican pizza? I love Mexican pizza. It's so good. What? Bro! What the? That was weird. Pizza. On this pizza, we never fail to deliver. Oh, we never fail. Oh my god, that makes so much sense. Let's do the sparkle. Everyone likes sparkle. Oh, let's do the parcia. The shoulder. Check out our faily other game baby breaks. Another game. Nope. It still makes the sound. I'll be right back. Okay, people, we have made it back. And I think Lego Productions is, Lego Productions is sending me many things. I don't know. I like Lego Productions. He makes like the best videos in the world. He's like, bah! Editing, 11 out of 10. Talking, 11 out of 10. Comedy, 11 out of 10. Lego short films, 11 out of 10. He was like a person who created Legos and then being a technologist. Oh, are these like the dirt bikes? I kind of like them. Probably you guys are like telling me like, why don't you change the map? Well, since this is barely a new map, a new game, and that means that it has it's like new. It only has like one map. And it hasn't updated since, so I'm waiting for an update. I'm really excited for the update to see if I can find any cars. And I want to see if we can buy them with coins finally, because what are the coins for? Like, we need to pick boxes. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah. Oh, edges. Whoa. Oh god. My phone is vibrating so much. Thank you, Lego Productions, for putting all the happiness to me, but you should put happiness to other people. I know I want you to be my friend, but like, you haven't answered. So if you want to be friends and want to help each other on YouTube, and give me your phone number where we can talk personally, and we can text and we can call and we can help each other on videos and we can actually help us better. So if you want to, then it's fine with me. It's an option. You can either do it or you cannot do it. It's fine. So that is it for the video. So that is it for the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. So guys, you guys are the best. The people who are subscribing are the best. So Lego Productions, happiness plus awesomeness equals Diana. You guys are the best. So if you guys want to go on an adventure with me, then consider you guys to subscribe. Minecraft people, pixel gun people, shooter game people, Friday and Saturday, daily writer people, Wednesday and Thursday, daily breaks people, Monday and Tuesday, or people who like everything, watch my videos every day. So thank you guys for watching, and leave a like, subscribe. Hope you guys see you next time.